Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your ASOS account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch ASOS app on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you're here, make sure that you're logged on to your account. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, simply tap on your profile icon in order to proceed further for your account deletion. Here we go. Now once you are here, simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here we go. Now once you come here at the bottom, you can see the option of delete my account. Simply tap on that option. With that, you will be directed to this page, and over here you'll see details regarding what aspects you will be losing after you delete your ASOS account. So after reading all these information, simply tap on the box that says I understand. Here we go. Now simply scroll down below and you can read these details if you wish to. Also, you have to select a reason for your account deletion. So let's tap on it. You can select any of these options given. So for instance, I'm just going to select this option of I have another account and tap on done. After this, simply tap on the option of delete my account at the bottom. Now over here, you'll see a pop-up like this that says if you press delete, you'll be signed out and you won't be able to recover your remaining gift voucher balance or personal information. So after reading all these details, simply tap on the option of delete in red. Now within a matter of seconds, your account will be successfully deleted. Just tap done at the bottom. And in order to continue with ASOS further, you would have to create a new account for yourself as you won't be able to recover your previous deleted account. So that's all for today. And if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.